I'm down in Arnside for a meet-up with members of the 617 Club. Why not come with me and see what we can find? Well, good morning, and you find me not in the Lake District today. I've come for a meet-up. There's only 3 of us, but we've come for a meet-up at Arnside, which is not far from Morecambe Bay. And yeah, it's been about an hour's drive here, and there's only 3 of us, so hopefully it'll be good. I think we're probably going to be talking more about woodland photography, etc. So yeah, I mean, if I turn around and you can see there's the estuary. I think that's the River Kent, and yeah, River Kent. So we'll have a wander along, see what we can find, and whatever happens we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Well, we've just had some lunch at the cafe here, and we're going to head back. We came through the woods, and I've taken a number of handheld images that I'll have put up. We'll maybe try and get something on the way back. You can see there though that, and particularly if I zoom in, put it onto zoom and zoom in, that we're more or less at high tide at the moment, just beyond the grass there. Whereas before there was mud flats and that, and looking across to the viaduct it's fairly full. So yeah, we're going to head back to the woods, and we'll try and get some more images to see as we slowly wind our way back to the car. So yeah, we'll catch up with you a little bit later.
to my auntie and uncle waterfalls.
Right, well that's me back in the car and on the way back home. It's going to be a fairly short video, this. I always find it difficult when I'm out with other people to do lots of videoing and lots of vlogging, but hopefully there's enough, and I took quite a few handheld images, etc. So yeah, it's certainly been an enjoyable afternoon. Maybe not the best of videos, but yeah, certainly an enjoyable afternoon with another David and I've forgotten the other guy's name. Richard, I think, was it? Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, we're on the way back home now. Coming out of Arnside, and hopefully you can hear me alright. This is using the dash cam, and yeah, if you've enjoyed the video and some of the images, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? It does great things for the channel. And I suppose one question is, what's happening in the future? Well, I'm aiming, this is Friday, I'm aiming to hopefully get this up and sorted to go up on Sunday, and then next Wednesday I'm going to put up the video that I did yesterday when I went round bits of Keswick trying to get reflections in the puddles, etc. And then I want to try and get a couple more videos done before I head out to Iceland next week. And then hopefully we can get some good images and hopefully some vlogging out in Iceland for a series of videos for when I get back. So yeah, I'm not quite sure if there's anything else to say, but yeah, we'll just say we'll see you on the next video.